Is there anything better on a chilly November day than chili? Yes, there is. It's meatball chili.
Right,
with
right.
Chef D.
We were talking off air about how we make chili and how we've always made chili the same way.
For 30 years, I have made chili the same way.
Right, so this is a little bit different, and taking some different ingredients and making it into the chili, okay?
Why meatballs?
I'm thinking right now, it's getting that crazy time of year where you're hosting lots of people, and sometimes you do a lot of batch cooking, so make a bunch of meatballs, freeze them, and then you're gonna have them that you can do different things with.
Oh, okay, so you could put them in the chili.
Exactly, but not only this, but you could make this chili as a vegan dish as well.
All right.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with our onions in our pan, which we're warming up, and you notice there's no oil in the pan. Years ago, when we first started like doing the Chef D and the TV and that, we went out to Vikram Veg's in Vancouver and learned a little bit how to cook Indian food, and this is kind of the way that it does. We're gonna layer our spice flavors, okay? So that is a little bit of chili powder, a little bit of smoked paprika, a little bit of chocolate. So we're going to put in a tablespoon and a bit of cocoa powder. But what we're doing here is we're warming the herbs, the spices up, and the natural oils are going to come out. So you're going to get even more flavor than you're used to. And you're going to do this over a medium-high heat. You don't want to be too high.
With no oil.
No oil, because you want to toast them. You want to give them that great flavor. And then what we're doing is we're also giving some extra flavor to some sweet potatoes,
which you've also put no oil in.
Right. So we're just so that they're going to get some great color on them. And as we warm this up, I'm just going to turn this up.
So you're not going to have them kind of like soft to the touch?
No, not soft to the touch. We're just going to get some color on it, give it some flavor. We're going to add in some carrots, some celery. Okay.
This is my kind of cooking where everything's
exactly. So, but you can just start smelling that all the spices are coming through now, right?
And now that I know there's chocolate in there, I smell chocolate.
Right, and chocolate just gives it that nice rounding flavor to it. It's something that's overlooked sometimes in our cooking. So the other part, and as I mentioned earlier, you could make this a vegan dish, peanut butter. Right? So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter into that. Again, add a little bit extra protein, a little extra flavor. I know you're kind of going, where are you going with this?
Yeah, where are you going with this? This sounds, Chef D, like something different. Which she segued. Leads us into a big announcement.
It is a huge announcement. I've been waiting to open a restaurant I've been a chef for 41 years, always wanted a restaurant. We open our restaurant next week. It's called Something Different in Cambridge, 184 Main Street. Check us out. We'll have the website up and everything later this week.
For you.
Yeah, and it's 30 seats. It's going to be.
And it's where your catering kitchen is, so you're not having to move or anything.
No, not at all. We're not moving at all. It's just going to be a lot of fun. 4 courses. You're going to come in for different things, different times. Very local. Like, you know how much I love local.
Something different.
Something different. So please check it out.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. Okay, so peppers went in. Now, you can add some heat to it with some charred jalapenos if you want. Okay. But if you can pass me the tomato sauce right there.
Both of them?
Yeah. So this is 6 cups of tomato sauce. I love, and I'm going to drop a name, I love the Muti from Italy. It's just an absolute great tomato sauce, and we're going to put this in, and then what you're going to do is let this simmer in, and then we're going to add our sweet potatoes.
And they're just going to soften up as everything cooks.
And you can just see that they're just getting a little bit of color on them, which gives it a little bit more flavor.
Okay.
Okay, right? So we're going to take this off. I just want to put this.
And would you leave them that size?
Oh, 100%.
Okay.
Because you're going to taste in just a little second, and then we're going to add our meatballs in.
Okay, we've got a minute.
Okay, so meatballs go in. We're going to add 1 thing of white kidney beans.
And you didn't drain them?
No, you don't want to drain them. You want all that nice liquid in there. Away we go. Okay, Annette, I have it ready. Can you pass me the plate? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So fast forward. This is about an hour and a half into making this. I'm going to get you a sweet potato. See what you think there.
Okay. So you just have it on simmer? Okay, it's not quite warm, but it's delicious. Even cold, it's delicious. Oh, that's awesome.
Right? Just, again, fast forward it. I made it just yesterday and that, but just, again, lots of different flavors, thinking outside the box of, red kidney beans, beans and tomato sauce. All these great flavors make an absolute fantastic chili.
Something different.
Something different.
Okay. Thanks so much. We'll get all your links up on our website, chch.com/morninglive. This is really good, even cold.